And the humans stayed home, and Mother Earth rested, and the sky got to breathe. The wind played with leaves, the rare birds flew, water turned to blue, and 70,000 turtles swam ashore. In the absence of the humans, nature took a break, and the wildlife played. Boars descended from the mountains, and goats roamed the streets, and the lions roared fiercely, announcing their reclaim to a once mighty kingdom. But the sun shone brighter than all, and the heavens rained tears of joy, and the trees grew tall, and the shade came and calmed the earth. And if we sit quietly, we can hear the world healing itself. The subtle sounds of repair, the cries of human despair. They screamed in their beds and babbled they were bored. Then they realized, this is how the animals have felt all along. Welcome to the Human Zoo.